Hello stars, welcome and welcome back again to the channel. I wish you a wonderful new week and a blessed new month. You guys, it's the second part of 2023 and I don't know what you have been praying for or what you have been hoping that God would do for you, but I just want to tell you that you shouldn't give up. You should keep on praying because the second part of 2023 is sure going to be a better part of this year for all of us. I know that God, in His infinite mercies, will definitely bless us, bless the works of our hands, our hustle, all the things we have been hoping for will come to pass in this remaining part of 2023. I hope you believe that because I believe that for myself and I believe that for you guys too. You guys, today I have this wonderful haircut for this my from this my black queens. They look so stunning, so adorable, so beautiful, and you just imagine yourself in these haircuts, guys. Picture yourself in wearing this haircut. It's going to be so amazing on you. Do not stop. Whatever you want to do, anyhow you want to rock your hair, you go for it, guys. Go for it. These ones, they are classy, they are badass, and they are cute. Most of all, they are elegant, and you can wear this to anywhere, work, office, school. This haircut, I love them so very much, and I hope that you find them interesting, guys. Please remember, I will leave the info of the barber in the description box so that you can message him up, and if you want to get your haircut from him, all right. You guys, please enjoy watching this video, but please, if you enjoy, if this video is exactly what you came for, then please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and please share this video with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this one. I love you guys so very much, and I honestly appreciate your love and support. Thank you guys so much for always coming back. Thank you. Mwah.